How to change username on Reddit. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will give you a quick tutorial on how to change your username on Reddit. So let's get started. Simply log into your Reddit account and you will get right here. We know that we have a username given on Reddit, but we can change it really easily if we want to. So once you have logged into your account on your PC or maybe on your mobile phone, then what you have to do is you will click on this right here, this option where you can see your username, and then go to profile. Once you click on profile, then it will give you the option to change your username. This is my username right now, but I can change it. So click on change username, and then it will give you some of the suggestions right here, or you can go with a custom name as well, like any kind of name that you want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in a name and let's see if it's not taken. All right, so you can see it's not taken, and I will just click on continue and my username will be changed. There you go. You can see my username has been changed, and now I can just go back, click on save username, and it will be saved. This is how you can also go ahead and change your username on Reddit. You can see now it has been changed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.